What's up guys, it's KK here, the Crazy Korean. Today I'm here at the beautiful city of Dubrovnik. That down there is the Old Town. It's completely walled up. Dubrovnik's Old Town has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979. Its famous city walls are among the best preserved medieval fortifications in Europe, attracting millions of visitors each year. No cars are allowed in Old Town, and it's entirely pedestrian only. This is to preserve the historic atmosphere of Old Town. Dubrovnik was a part of Yugoslavia after World War II, but faced challenges in the early 1990s when it was besieged during the Croatian War of Independence. Restoration efforts have since revived Dubrovnik, and it now stands as one of Croatia's most prized cultural and historical landmarks. Dubrovnik served as a primary filming location for King's Landing in the popular TV series Game of Thrones. Its stunning medieval walls, fortresses, and the coastal views made it an ideal stand-in for the capital of the Seven Kingdoms. Dubrovnik is one of the first places in the world to have introduced quarantine laws, implementing a policy as early as 1377 to combat the spread of the plague. This made it one of the earliest examples of organized public health measures. Dubrovnik's combination of medieval architecture, resilient history, and rich cultural heritage make it a must-see. If you want my real reviews and new videos to some of the world's best destinations, like and subscribe.